So I'm going to show you how to put the link for your Zoom personal meeting room right onto Buzz so that your student doesn't have to wait for an email from you with the link for a Zoom session. The student can just go right into Buzz and get the link from there. What you do is you log on to Zoom and your main page is going to have your personal meeting ID right on there. So you're just going to get the link by highlighting it and click copy. Then you're going to go to your Buzz and you're going to go into tools and your course settings. You're going to scroll down to course links and you're going to click add course link. You're just going to paste the course link on the bottom there and you can give it a title. And click done and then click save. So when the student goes into their Buzz, they will have it available to them in their landing page. They just need to click course links and then click the link that you provided for them, and it's going to open up right into the meeting. And that's it.